My question is, the fatwa against Ahmadiyya is still present online on the Muslim Authority of Singapore's website. What do you think should be the best course of action?
You see, they say you are not Muslims. But if you are a true Muslim, you can tell your fellow friends that we are true Muslims because we believe in the one and omnipotent God. We believe in the finality of the prophethood of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Right? He is the final of the prophets. He is the last of the prophets. We believe in Khatm Nubuwwat. Right? But our definition is different. That according to the prophecy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, a person was to come in the latter days. And we believe that that person has come in the person of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad of Qadian, who is the Masih Maud and Mahdi Maud. He is a subordinate prophet of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and subordinate or Ummati prophet from among the followers of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. A prophet can come, and it was foretold and prophesied by the Holy Prophet ﷺ that he will come. Even in the Holy Quran it is said that in the latter days a prophet will come. So we believe that that person has come, and his status is of Masih Maud and Imam Mahdi, and he has been named prophet by the Holy Prophet ﷺ in one of his traditions, one of his hadiths 4 times. So it does not break the seal of the Prophet, because he is the true follower of the Holy Prophet of Islam ﷺ. So those who are your close friends, you can tell them that this fatwa is totally wrong, and they do not understand our belief. They even do not argue with us, and they are misconstruing our interpretation, or even they are misconstruing the hadith of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. If you believe that the Messiah is yet to come, then when he will come, you will believe his status will be of the Prophet, because if they believe that Jesus will come again, then Jesus has already been given the status of prophethood. Right? Once he is a prophet, Allah Ta'ala will not remove that title from him. He will remain the prophet. And when he is the prophet and comes, even he himself comes, then it will break the seal of the prophet. But here what we interpret is the right, because we say the person who was to come, it was a metaphor. It was not that Jesus himself will come, but a person will come on the footsteps of Jesus, who will be the follower of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and will be given the status of prophethood as a subordinate prophet of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. So in this way, in your discussions with your friends, you can remove this doubt from the minds of the people. So this is the tabligh. As much as you can do tabligh, you will spread this message and remove the doubts from the minds of the people. So it all depends on the level of your tabligh and how efficient you are in tabligh, how daring you are in expressing your view. Right? As far as fatwas are concerned, they are always there. Non-Ahmadis are always speaking against us, and everywhere they are doing it. So we cannot fight with them. The only thing is that we behave like Muslim, we show our examples. Each and every of our action should be according to the teaching of Islam. And then when the people will see that we are behaving like a Muslim, they themselves will know that these fatwas are all wrong fatwas. Right?